Hi folks, I'm Florian from iProcess, and today we talk about software and firmware. Two terms that are often mixed up or used interchangeably. First, a little time travel. The first computer algorithm was created by Ada Lovelace in the 1840s. Yes, you heard that right. It remained a theoretical exercise since the technology for the needed hardware had not emerged back then. Almost a century later, Alan Turing derived the formalization of the concepts of algorithm and computation with the Turing machine, which was highly influential to the theory of software in 1936, and the field of computer science was born, though software first existed only in the form of punch cards. The very first time a stored program computer held a piece of software in electronic memory and executed it successfully was in June 1948 at the Manchester University on the Manchester Baby computer written by Tom Kilburn. The term software was not coined before the late 1950s, highlighting the intangible nature of programming instructions in relation to the very tangible hardware. Fast forward to 1967, when Asher Abloh first introduced the expression firmware as an intermediary term between hardware and software. Closing the history lesson and moving on to definitions. Software refers to programs and operating information that run on computer systems. This includes everything visible from your GPS navigation and infotainment system to the dashboard displays. Firmware, on the other hand, is a special subset of software, so it's also software. It's the low-level code that directly controls the car's hardware, like the charging or motor controller drivers. It's essentially the bridge between the car's physical components and the higher-level software applications. Think of a laptop. The operating system and the apps are software. They can run on a variety of hardware platforms with similar performance. The graphics chip driver or the memory controller runs the firmware that is very specific to the hardware to allow the software to be platform agnostic. AUTOSAR, the Automotive Open System Architecture, plays a significant role in bridging between software and firmware within automotive engineering by providing a standard platform for the development, deployment, and management of both software and firmware components in vehicles. It serves as a framework that allows for the integration of various applications and hardware components from different manufacturers, facilitating interoperability and modularity. From here on, especially with software-defined vehicles and zonal architecture concepts emerging, the definition of and adherence to clearly defined firmware and software interfaces is more crucial than ever. I hope you enjoyed this introductory webcast. As always, reach out to iProcess for further details and/or support. That's it for today. Keep exploring, stay curious, stay inspired. See you next time.